The information that is really important to a consumer is all printed in the box. We have here the batch number, manufacturing date, and the expiry date. The expiry date here is 2024. So the product is good for 2 years. This Kojie San Skin Lightening Soap claims that it has high-grade Kojic Acid that effectively makes skin lighter. It has zero pigment light technology that targets dark spots and uneven skin tone. It also says right here that zero pigment light technology is a unique skin lightening delivery system that effectively bonds the potent active ingredients to ensure that it is absorbed by and activated in your skin and the areas where it is most needed. This powerful mode of action zeroes in on direct spots, age spots, scars, melasma, and hyperpigmentation, giving you a lighter and even skin tone. Clinically proven to lighten skin in as fast as 7 days. In this video, I will show you the before and after results or initial thoughts and my final thoughts after 1 week of using the product. And also, as mentioned in the packaging, there are active ingredients with this Kojie San soap, and the active ingredients right here is the Kojie San and the glycerin. That is known to have its exfoliating properties, and while exfoliating our skin, it also retains the moisture of our skin, and while exfoliating and moisturizing our skin, it gives us the lightening effect while continuously using the product. Just like this, the Kojie San Skin Lightening Soap Classic for a lighter and even skin tone. This is how it looks. It's color orange like other Kojic soaps, and it smells like citrusy. Using products like this, what I do is I cut this one into half and I put it in this kind of net bag for soaps. In this way, I have a better grasp. Kojie San Skin Lightening Classic Soap. I have some discoloration in this area. If I fold my knees like this, the skin tone is even. But if I do like this, as you can see, there is discoloration. And that is because of the folded skin. But we will try to even it out or lighten it out using the Kojie San soap. For the face, I will also be using the soap as a exfoliator. Let's see if it works in my whiteheads and blackheads, and if it will not sting, if it will not irritate my face. Let's see if it works. So that's it for now. I'll get back to you a week or two, and I'll be sharing my thoughts if the product really works in my face and in my body. Hey guys, it has been 1 week of using the Kojie San Classic Lightening Soap, and this has been the progress. And as you can see, we have lightened our skin here. Some dark circle in this part, but comparing to the last footage, it has improved. One thing I've noticed, guys, is I have a mark here. This one, it has lighten already. This one. And I have some bruises near here, my feet. And today, the marks is gone already. And during the whole week of using the Kojie San soap, I have also used the Kojie San lotion, the lightening lotion, regularly every day, and it's a perfect match with the soap. When we are using Kojic soaps, we should be using lotions with SPF for sun protection, because when we are using Kojic soaps, it can make our skin sun sensitive. So it can cause irritation if we don't use sun protection. As much as I wanted to document my progress of using the Kojie San soap, I decided to cut it short, because even before this review, I am a fan and I am an avid user of Kojie San soaps and other Kojie San products. Even before, when I don't do beauty videos, even before that I am not yet doing product reviews, beauty product reviews, I am already using Kojie San soap. And this is the product, this is the soap that I always get back to when I don't review other brands, because not only here in the Philippines that it is affordable, it is very accessible also. You can buy it on drugstores, you can buy it on grocery stores. It's very accessible, affordable, and effective as well. But for precautions, guys, if you are dry skin or if you are sensitive skin, do not use this product in your face, because using products with Kojic acid may make your skin sensitive to the sun. So while using this Kojic acid, always pair it with a lotion that has sun protection. And for more than 1 week, and for 1 week of documenting my progress while using this product, and for more than years of using this product, I am still surprised with the benefits and with the effects of this product, while keenly observing its effect on my skin. It has improved my skin texture, especially in those areas that are rough and areas that are usually darkened and usually exposed with the sun. Definitely, it is really a good exfoliating product if you are someone with texture skin, or someone who is always exposed to the sun because of your line of work, or you're always commuting, or you're always exposed to direct sunlight. This one is definitely the best exfoliating product because of its zero pigment technology. So if you have melasma, if you have dark spots, this one, you must try this one. And not only that, guys, I can also recommend this to ladies that are acne prone skin. If you have back acne, you must try this, guys. It can easily dry up your active pimples at the back if you have, because I've tried it before that I have acne at the back. I use this and it does the job. It does not easily melt, and just a quick lather, a small amount, a little goes a long way, because even with a small amount or a quick lather of this product, it bubble up and creates a foam right away. And if you guys are already decided to try out this Kojie San Skin Lightening Soap Classic, of course, I will link in the description box the Minaco Online Beauty Official online shop. For more beauty related contents, please do follow me on my social media at It's Jaya Chan on Instagram, Jaya Chan on YouTube, and please do subscribe to Minaco Online Beauty Official YouTube channel, because we will be uploading more videos such as this one, Asian beauty products that is effective and affordable, that you can try out to see and experience the benefits for yourself. I hope you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this to your friends if you have friends who are looking for products that is exfoliating, lightening, brightening from Minaco Online Beauty Official. That's it, guys, and see you on the next one. Bye!